Good morning. Today is August 24, 2026, Monday. The first reading was taken from Revelation, chapter 21, verses 9 to 14. An angel spoke to me, saying, "Come, I will show you the bride, the wife of the Lamb." And he carried me away in the Spirit to a great high mountain and showed me to the holy city, Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God, having the glory of God. Its radiance like a most rare jewel, like a jasper, clear as crystal. It had a great high wall with 12 gates, and at the gates 12 angels, and on the gates the name of the 12 tribes of the son of Israel were inscribed. On the east 3 gates, on the north 3 gates, on the south 3 gates, and on the west 3 gates. And the wall of the city had 12 foundations, and on them were the 12 names of the 12 apostles of the Lamb. Your saints, O Lord, make known the glory of your reign. All your works shall thank you, O Lord, and all your faithful ones bless you. They shall speak of the glory of your reign and declare your mighty deeds. Your saints, O Lord, make known the glory of your reign. To make known your might to the children of men and the glorious splendor of your reign. Your kingdom is an everlasting kingdom. Your rule endures for all generations. Your saints, O Lord, make known the glory of your reign. The Lord is just in all his ways, and holy in all his deeds. The Lord is close to all who call on him in truth. Your saints, O Lord, make known the glory of your reign. Alleluia, Alleluia. Rabbi, you are the Son of God. You are the King of Israel. Alleluia. Today's Gospel was taken from John chapter 1, verses 45 to 51. Philip found Nathanael and said to him, "We have found him, of whom Moses in the law and also the prophets wrote, Jesus of Nazareth, the son of Joseph." Nathanael said to him, "Can anything good come out of Nazareth?" Philip said to him, "Come and see." Jesus saw Nathanael coming towards him and said to him, "Behold, an Israelite indeed, in whom there is no deceit." Nathanael said to him, "How do you know me?" Jesus answered him, "Before Philip called you, when you were under the fig tree, I saw you." Nathanael answered him, "Rabbi, you are the Son of God. You are the King of Israel." Jesus answered him, "Because I said to you, I saw you under the fig tree, do you believe? You will see greater things than this." And he said to him, "Truly, truly, I say to you, you will see heaven open, and the angels of God ascending and descending on the Son of Man." The word of the Lord. Today, we are invited to behold the glory of God. In the first reading, we see the heavenly Jerusalem, radiant with God's presence. In the Gospel, we meet Philip and Nathanael, who encounter Jesus and are transformed by his glory. As we celebrate the feast of Saint Bartholomew, we remember his courageous witness to the Gospel. This apostle, also known as Nathanael, was introduced to Jesus by Philip and was immediately drawn to his divine presence. If there was no Philip, there would not have been Bartholomew. These words remind us to the profound impact we can have on others when we introduce them to Jesus. Philip's simple invitation to Bartholomew, "Come and see," changed his life. We too have the power to change lives by leading others to Jesus. Our words, actions, and witness can create a ripple effect, touching his hearts and minds in ways we may never fully know. Good morning and have a blessed day.